In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to update Madden NFL on PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your library where all your installed games are listed. Find Madden NFL 26 and click on it. If there is a new update available, you will see an update button instead of play. Simply click on update and the app will start downloading the latest patch automatically. In most cases, the EA app updates games automatically in the background, so you might not even need to do this manually. But if your game is not updating, you can force it by clicking the three dots on the game tile and selecting check for update. While the update is downloading, make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid closing the EA app. Updates can vary in size depending on the patch, and they may include gameplay improvements, bug fixes, and new content to keep the experience fresh. Once the update is complete, the button will change back to play. Go ahead and launch the game and you'll now be running the latest version. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.